It's my first time to play with a free bird. As I was a kid, we used to have a canary, but in a cage. Then we started, me and my brother, whistling to him. So it was like as if we are three brothers, not two, but one very sad in a cage. This is a wild sound. This is a free one. Has no barriers, has no limits. He can make as many phrases as he wants, hoping for something, longing for something. This bird is always an immigrant. Does he feel home? Once it's hot, he travels. Once it's cold, he changes his place. Is this tree today his home? What about tomorrow? Does he care about tomorrow?